Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the BTS Speak Yourself Japan Edition merch. I'm very excited to open these because I think this Japan exclusive edition is actually really pretty. These products, you can only purchase them if you live in Japan because the BTS Japan website only ships to Japan addresses only. So these products I actually got off of eBay. And obviously resellers hike up the prices by a whole lot. But you know what? That's totally fine because, like I said, these products are really pretty. So I'm just really excited that I could get my hands on these. So without any further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with this package first. I'm going to do this. I'm so scared to like open these because you don't really know what you're cutting. Here, I guess I'll do it this way. I'm trying to pay attention to see if I'm in focus or in frame. I forgot I'm doing this, so. Alrighty, so let's see here. Okay, what is that? That looks like blood, but okay, so this is the letter from the seller. Let's see. Thank you for purchasing this item, yada yada. Okay, whatever. Open that in a bit. So, I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the clipboard set. So this clipboard includes obviously the clipboard and photo card for each member, and I found this for an okay deal, I do believe. It's not too bad as how the other people are listing it off on eBay, so I think it wasn't too bad in my opinion. Alrighty. Alrighty, so this is what the clipboard looks like. Let me just move all of this. See if you guys are in focus. Can you guys see that? Okay, so it has all their signatures on this clipboard. And then behind it just says Magic Shop. And then this is the notepad. What does it say? Does it say anything? So it just has that simple design. It says Magic Shop right here, and then these are just stars and lines, I do believe. So that is with that. And then the photo cards, which, oh my god, just totally flipped it over. But these photo cards are so pretty. Obviously I got the set because of the photo cards. And Eep, I'm so excited. So here we have Namjoon. Super cute with his glasses. So here it just says BTS Japan Official Magic Shop in RM. Here we have Suga. Oh my god, he looks so pretty. Right. Here we have Jin. Looks so cute. Oh my god. Next is Hobie with his peace sign. These cards are literally so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. Here we have Jimin, looking pretty as ever. Tae with his scarf and everything. JK with his kissy face. Oh my god, these cards. I love each and every one of these cards so much. Okay, so that is the clipboard set. Okay, so next is this package, which I do believe is the Lenticular photo set. So I'm just gonna open this up. Then, okay. This tape is so strong. The tape Okay. Let's see what we have here. Just kidding. This is not the Lenticular, I think. Maybe this is the Jimin photo card set that I bought. Okay. Super excited. Beep! Okay, so this is what the case looks like. Just says BTS Japan official fan meeting, magic shop. Okay. I wrapped it too. Okay, purchased the full set for Jimin's photo cards from this collection. Obviously, you guys know that Jimin is my bias, and I'm not really much of a huge photo card collector, but I do prioritize in getting Jimin if I can. And these photo cards are just the most beautiful photo cards you've ever seen, so I just had to do it. This cost a lot, I'm not gonna lie, but like I said, these are really, really pretty, so no regrets. So the first card is this. Let me just zoom you guys in so you guys can have a better look. Okay, move that to this side. Can you guys see this okay? So this is the first one. Look, just look at him. Oh my god. And this is 1 out of 8. Next one, oh my god. Okay, I'm seriously like fangirling so hard right now. Like these photos, I'm just done. So that's 2 out of 8. The third one, oh my god. That's 3 out of 8. And then just look at him though. Oh my god. That's 4 out of 8. I guess we're done with the sexy concept, so now we're to the cutie. This 5 out of 8. And this him with the finger heart. 6 out of 8. And here him poking his cheek. Oh my god. 7 out of 8. And then the last one. These are so precious. Okay, my favorites are these. Oh, these are just so good. But these are cute too, obviously. But yeah, so this is the Jimin mini photo card set. Alrighty, so this is the last one, which is the Lenticular photo set. And it's bubble wrapped. Okay, so this is what the case looks like. It looks like, you know, shipping envelope. It's really cute. The seller that I got this from, the price wasn't actually too bad for like the whole brand new set. So that's why I just went ahead and got it. Plus it was, again, really, really pretty. Okay. So there's 2 for this set, and it's unit based. So this one we have RM, Yoongi, Jimin, and V. So the first picture is that. And then when you do this, it's a different pose. I don't know if you guys can tell or really see from the camera. I hope you can. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. And then the next one is Hobie, Jin, and JK. So the first pose, and then the second pose. Doesn't really show well on camera, I don't think. Here you go, I think this is a better. It's really hard to like show these on camera. Can you guys see the difference or no? Okay, well I hope you guys can see that. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the back. This is what the back looks like. But yeah, these are so pretty. Yay! Okay, so that is it for today's unboxing. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in a later video. Bye guys!